Let me just start off by saying I think my brother's an idiot.
It's true.
And he can be a real dick sometimes.
Also true.
But he is my brother.
Still true.
And I'm always gonna have his back. It's the Rise of the Pauls. That's right, the brothers are back.
We bout to make this shit look easy like a game. Tic tac.
Now, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Pick a YouTuber and roast him slow.
Pick a YouTuber and roast him slow. Roast him slow.
All of the views be falling like snow.
We just bunch of lambers with a butterfly nose.
Bro, they so below.
It's clear that all these other suckers plateau. Fact.
We came in and grabbed YouTube by the balls.
I know for a fact it wasn't ready for the pulse. At all.
Early 20s and more talent than y'all. And we
Get in the pussy wagon.
Quit YouTube, we should crush like a cannonball. Name in your title and you can pay this month's rent. We know you're calling your lawyers. Yeah, that's money well spent. Cause yeah, my brother messed up, but he still got his Disney contracts.
Yeah, we should make a show about it. Let's go.
See me in person, I guarantee you won't make eye contact.
When the Paul Bros unite, the internet rebels. Don't mess with the best boy, it's that simple. Yeah, we welcome your fans with open arms, cause it's a rocket ship that's headed for the stars.
Everybody parks thirsty for the views, but we just having some fun. And these dudes like 30 and their names barely worthy to roll off our tongue.
Awesome, dude.
I want to meet him so bad.
Now I can tell the future,
But it's a damn fact that we've just begun.
life is only moving faster.
Me and Logie about to hit Mach 1.
The grind never stops. Only 2 ways to make it to the top.
1, be a leech, gain your fame from the great ones.
2, be a maverick, lead the pack like Napoleon.
I choose 2, you can ride on my caravan.
Plenty of room and number 1 got a lifespan.
Logan, this is like hypocritical because I just made a video about not hating on people.
Yeah, no, I saw that video, yeah.
So I can't do that.
I'm bored, bro. Roast videos are fun.
No, they're not.
Wait, hold up.
Don't
Wait, do you hear that, bro?
No, I
The
don't
second
hear
verse is
it.
coming. Shut up, second verse.
No. Oh, shit.
It's the second verse.
Oh, no,
Forget
Logan.
about the first. If there's a foot race, I'll be running in reverse. Y'all be making memes, but we be making
Cutting
millies.
this off. Stop, Logan! The second verse can never come out.
But bro, don't you think we should address that one thing that everyone's like wondering about?
No, I'm not talking about that anymore.
Bro, but like I'm just saying, like,
No, there's 2 sides to every story and it's not gonna go anywhere.
Well, that is true. So like you don't know who's telling the truth and who's lying, essentially. Hey guys, make sure to like and subscribe. It's 6 a.m. and we're making this music video. I'm gonna go to sleep. Get your Maverick merch, link in the description. I love you. Low Gang for life. Peace!